Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to easily restore an old photo and turn it into an animated video using an app called TwinFace. It's no editing skills needed, and yes, it's free. Okay, let's get started. First, just open the TwinFace app. If you don't have it yet, just go to Play Store and then just download it from there. And then once it's installed, just open TwinFace and log in using your Google account. And don't worry, TwinFace will offer a free plan with weekly free credit, so you can try this feature without paying anything. And then next, after logging in, you will land on the home page like this. And then next, just simply tap on magic effect, this one. And then next, just choose photo repair, this one. This feature will allow you to enhance and transform photo, including restoring old photos and then making them look more alive like this. And then next, just simply tap on and then next, just simply upload your old photo. Just tap on plus button and then just choose your photo. This can be a blurry, faded, or damaged photo. It works best on old portraits like this. And then next, just tap on confirm and then just tap on create. It will take one credit like this and wait for the process. Okay, like this, your old photo will be restored with a clear, modern look, and not only that, the face will look more detailed, sharper, and more natural like this. You will immediately notice the difference between the original photo and the repaired versions. And then Doomfist will also add subtle animations like this, and I think the result looks more alive. And then the movements of the photo, it looks so natural, it looks so good, the result looks so incredible like this. And okay, maybe that's it. That's how you can turn an old photo into a new animated and living image using Dreamfeed. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.